There's something strange happening inside Samsung's software team right now, and it's got the whole Galaxy community buzzing. After the quiet rollout of One UI 8.5, early leaks suggest Samsung is already shifting gears toward its next big leap, One UI 9. But this time, the story isn't just about new features or a cleaner interface. It's about confusion, misinformation, and a sudden twist that has fans questioning whether Samsung's customer support even knows what's really going on. Hey everyone, welcome back. Sam here. If you're into the latest Galaxy updates and behind the scenes stories that others miss, make sure to like this video, share it with your tech buddies, and subscribe for more deep dives like this. Now, let's get into what's making One UI 9 such a mystery. Over the past few weeks, screenshots from Samsung's internal software builds started popping up online, and they're not your typical rumor material. These aren't just mock-ups or fan-made concepts. They're tied to early Android 17 development, signaling that One UI 9 is officially in motion. What's surprising is how soon this is happening. Normally, Samsung waits until its previous version, like One UI 8.5, completes rollout across major devices. But insiders say the company has already begun testing Android 17 builds for the Galaxy S24 series. That means the foundation of One UI 9 could already be running behind the scenes on internal servers. But here's where things start to get messy. A viral screenshot from Samsung's live chat support recently claimed that the One UI 8 beta had a global release, including in regions like New Zealand, where no such rollout ever happened. The response instantly sparked backlash because it exposed how even Samsung's official representatives were spreading incorrect information about software availability. The issue isn't just a small misunderstanding. It raises a bigger question. If Samsung's own team can't track real-time beta updates, how can users trust their answers about One UI 9's release or eligibility? What's even more interesting is that this chat leak unintentionally hinted at Samsung's future beta limitations. According to that conversation, One UI 9 might follow the same pattern, limited to key markets like South Korea, the US, Germany, and a few others. That means millions of Galaxy users who expect early access might once again be left out, and that right there is fueling frustration across forums and social media. Still, behind all this confusion, there's a much bigger story, and it's about what One UI 9 could actually bring to the table. This is expected to be Samsung's smartest and most polished interface yet, built to take full advantage of Android 17 system intelligence. Early code references point toward deeper AI automation baked right into the UI, not just Bixby-style commands, but real contextual intelligence. Picture your phone automatically adjusting layouts, tones, and icons based on your routine or location. Think of it as One UI finally getting personal, truly adapting to how you use your device. And yes, leaks also hint that Samsung might completely rethink how the lock screen behaves. Instead of the current mix of widgets and shortcuts, One UI 9 could introduce a modular system that lets users rearrange everything, from clock placement to notification grouping, without third-party tools. Combine that with smoother animations, revamped icons, and tighter integration between Galaxy AI and system-level features, and you're looking at one of Samsung's biggest software upgrades in years. But the most exciting part, Samsung's timing. The development of One UI 9 started right as Android 17 began testing, which could mean an earlier than usual beta release, possibly even before the Galaxy S25 launch. Some insiders believe the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 could become Samsung's first test devices for the new software. If that happens, it'll mark the first time Samsung overlaps two generations of Android development at once, a clear sign that its software team is pushing for faster rollout cycles. Now, let's talk about eligibility, because this is where things get personal for Galaxy users. Based on Samsung's software policy, flagship phones like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, S23 series, and even the Fold and Flip 5 are guaranteed to receive One UI 9 since they're all under the 7-year update promise. The A series lineup is a little more complicated. Devices like the A55 and A35 should be eligible, but older ones such as the A33 or A52 might be left behind. So if you're holding on to one of those, this might be the last major Android jump your phone sees. It's also worth noting that One UI 9 won't just be about phones. Samsung is reportedly testing an upgraded version of its software ecosystem that ties in tablets, watches, and even Galaxy Book laptops through new AI sensing. Imagine editing a note on your tablet and instantly seeing an auto-summarized version appear on your phone. Those are the kinds of connected upgrades Samsung's engineers are rumored to be working on right now. Still, the burning question remains, why hasn't Samsung made any official statement about One UI 9 yet? The simple answer: timing. The company is likely saving the big reveal for after the Galaxy S25 announcement next year. By then, Android 17 will be in its final stages, and One UI 9 could drop its first beta for developers and enthusiasts. Until then, leaks will continue to shape the story, and Samsung's silence will only make people more curious. But one thing's clear: the hype is real. One UI 9 isn't just a typical update, it's Samsung's biggest chance to redefine the Galaxy experience before Apple and Google roll out their next major AI integrations. The combination of smarter automation, deeper customization, and faster rollout speed could give Samsung a serious edge in the software race. So, whether you're waiting for the beta or wondering if your phone's name will make the cut, stay tuned. Because the One UI 9 era is about to begin, and it's shaping up to be one of the most ambitious chapters in Samsung's software history. That's all for now, but you already know this story is far from over. I'll keep tracking every leak and development update as it happens. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next big drop, and tell me in the comments which One UI 9 feature you're most excited to see. Until then, peace out.